Model, 60-plate Fiat Ducato 32.3 120 multijet short wheelbase, camper conversion nice. Body, white, camper. Mileage, 138,007. MOT, the 15th of December 2024. Engine, 2287 cc FIAE 0481D, 120 bhpa. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Unfortunately, the dual-mass flywheel is noisy and will need replacing. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear camping area is very clean. Features, part service history, electric windows, 2 keys. EU status, Euro 4. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.